Hi there, today we're unboxing a dual battery charger plus battery. So this is for the GoPro and this is compatible with the GoPro Hero 7, 6, 5 and the Hero 2018. So let's take a quick look around the packaging. So it comes in a medium-sized package with a picture of the actual charger and its battery. Okay, if we come around here, nothing on there. If we come around this side, you can see it includes the dual battery charger, obviously a battery and a USB-C cable. Okay, come around here, some details here, compatible with batteries 4, and it's got obviously the models I've already mentioned. So let's open it up and see what you get in the packaging. Okay, so I've laid out everything you get in the packaging, so let me quickly go through the items one by one. So initially you've got important product safety instructions, and that's multi-language. It's got some basic details in there like do not drop, dismantle, or open or crush to bend the battery pack. Do not expose batteries or battery pack to heat, fire. So just sort of basic details for safety. Next, you've got a small piece of paper with details on how to connect it and the indicators you get in there. Not really a complicated product in any way. Then you've got a USB to Type-C connector, and this cable is 50 centimeters in length, and build quality of the cable is pretty good. It's a good quality cable on there. Okay, next you've got spare battery and the actual charger itself. So the charger is really compact in size. So if I bring my ruler in just to give you an idea, so we're saying about 6.5 by 3.5 by 4.5. So very compact in design. If I come in close, you've got a black glossy finish around here and a matte finish up here, slightly rubbery you could say on there. On here the bottom bit is rubbery as well, obviously not to slide along the table easily. You've got the actual charge point there and obviously the 2 slots at the top to plug your battery in. So very straightforward. If you take your battery, push it in, I'll take the other battery out as well and push that in as well. That's all it is. And then you take this end and plug the other end into your charge point. And then once you've plugged it in, that's what you see. So green indicates that it's fully charged and orange indicates that it's charging. And it's simple as that. Great little product. So obviously I wanted it for my GoPro Hero 6 and I did debate whether to buy the cheaper ones on Amazon, but some of the reviews were hit and miss, so I wasn't too confident in buying it. So I thought, let me just go for the branded one, and there you go. So build quality seems good, and obviously you're getting an original battery with it, so that's it. Hope it's helped anyone thinking of purchasing this. Details are in the description below. Thanks for viewing, and don't forget to like and subscribe.